let's start with our next retouching tool, which is known as pencil tool. So click on new file to create a new file. Then in new document, select print option. In print option, I am going to select A4. Now from A4, I am going to select pixels. Orientation will be landscape, resolution 300, CMYK color mode, and create. So now I am going to click on pencil tool. So pencil tool is also used to draw freehand lines with hard edges similar to brush tool. So after selecting the pencil tool, the option for the pencil in option bar are same. First is the size, so you can increase and decrease the size. Hardness is off because the pencil hardness will be hard only, so it's off. Next is mode. Here are n number of modes, you can choose any of this mode. Next is opacity for the pencil, smoothing for the pencil. Next is the angle for the pencil, and last is auto erase, which can erase background over the foreground color. So now I am going to choose the color. And I am going to apply the color with paint bucket tool, and now I am going to select pencil option. So every brush will be not be useful for the pencil also. So some brushes will be used for pencil and some will be for brush only. So now just you have to check it out. So now I am going to see which can be used. So hard brush can be used very well. So now I am going to choose wet brush, and from wet I am going to take this option, and I am going to select new color from foreground, this one, and new layer. Now from here I am going to write something. So for example, so this is not smooth. So suppose you add smoothing, so text will be smooth. So now here I am going to increase the size with right curly bracket. Now see how it will be smooth. So this is smooth. So here we had write the text. So now I can move the text. So this is how we had learned today pencil tool.